Haki kenta ban sakut no haka ban Thep Kyrteng kum ki Kyrtong MDC na ki constituency bapher jong ka Them Ribhoi arngut ki Kyrtong na ka sengsain hima Bharatiya Janata Party BJP na ki ar constituency kila pendep ban Thep Kyrteng haka laiterik rempang arhajar arpsan hak mat ki returning officer jong ki. Kita ki arngut ki Kyrtong latip Kyrteng kum uba Roni Singkli na ka Sngi constituency bad uba Manin Raja na ka Nongpo constituency. Kumba ka long Mynta ki Kyrtong baladep Thep Kyrteng na ka Sngi constituency ki long Sangun NPP kong Magdalene S. Maulong, INC ba Rocky Agustin Marwen, UDP ba Edi G. Kharbani, VPP ba Bandrikos Nongsteng bat BJP ba Roni Singkli. Nongpo NPP kong Rona Khamden, INC ba Lawrence Nongrum, UDP ba Balajit Rani, VPP ba Matthew Makdo bat BJP Manin Raja.
Having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 2 Nongpo District Council constituency, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will be true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and the integrity of India. I, Sri Mynta.
Having been nominated as candidate to fill a seat in the 4th Sngi District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by the law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.